back at the noodle shop again. This shop is just loaded with people. There's a damn poisonous snake here. I don't know if you can see. It's around here. So this guy bit one of the cat last night, and I'll show you what happened to the cat. Take a look at the left side of his face. It is swollen so badly. Check it out. It is swollen so badly. He got bit last night. Guys, I'm just walking around the village and just wanted to show you guys something. This is everywhere in Yanchang. You can see it everywhere, all across the town. Let's see what's that. Chui và biển ngoài kli. So guys, this is basically like a machinery, a well that suck up crude oil or petroleum, and they connect it with a pipe all the way back to, or the pipe leads to somewhere. So these are the pipe leading somewhere, and they will collect it, everything, all the petroleum and stuff like that. And yeah, and this is all over the town. You can actually see a lot of these things across the town. Hi. This is Yanchang, the land of crude oil and petroleum. So much power and energy, but no electricity every day. And that's 10 seconds. See you tomorrow. Guys, I was just kidding, man. There is electricity, but not every day. Like maybe 2-3 hours per day. Like in the daytime they give you like 4 hours in cut, and at night they give you another 4 hours. So yeah, that's the actual situation. So guys, can you guys hear the music? There's actually a wedding tomorrow, so they're playing the music the whole day just to let like the whole village know that there's gonna be an event, and anyone from the village can come in the morning or in the afternoon to like have lunch or whatever that they are serving. So yeah, this is their way of saying that okay, there's an event and we're having a wedding, this and that, and please come and join us. Cool way, right? So this music is gonna play for the whole day. It's been playing since morning. Kind of annoying though, but it's good to know. It's 8 p.m. at night and the music is still playing. Can you hear it? It's getting worse, guys. They have decided to sing karaoke. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another vlog.